Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with Note 9. And find out the best one. Galaxy S10 Plus has 6.4-inch screen, with 526 pixels per inch. While Note 9 also has 6.4-inch screen, with 516 pixels per inch. However, S10 Plus is 1mm thicker than Note 9. The AMOLED screen on both devices is protected by Gorilla Glass version 6 and 5 respectively. Both devices have improved camera setup, as S10 Plus has dual 10 and 8 megapixels front camera setup, and 212 with third 16 megapixels rear camera. While Note 9 has 8 megapixels front camera, and dual 12 megapixels rear camera setup. S10 Plus will be available in 12 and 8 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage options. While Note 9 is available in 8 and 6 GB RAM with up to 512 GB storage options. And don't worry, both devices support extra storage, up to 512 GB. S10 Plus will operate under latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, with 2.7 octa-core processor. While Note 9 is working under Snapdragon 845 chipset, with 2.7 octa-core processor. Both smartphones are secured by fingerprint scanner. The S10 Plus has in-display fingerprint scanner. Note 9 has rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Note 9 also supports iris scanner or Face ID. S10 Plus is equipped with 4100 mAh battery. While Note 9 has 4000 mAh battery. Both devices supports fast charging, as well as wireless charging. S10 Plus also has reverse charging option. S10 Plus will operate under latest Android Pie. While Note 9 is operating under Android Oreo. The smartphones have IP68 water and dust protection. And, yes, you can use both devices to pay any kind of bill, as they supports mobile payments. Samsung prices the S10 Plus at $1,190, and it is available in prism white, black, green and many more colors. While Note 9 is available in $850. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.